Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how we can add card. So many times you watch in your video, that time you just see one screen I and you get some notification from this option. So let's see how we can do also such type of card implement in our video. So open your YouTube, just select your any video and click on info and settings, or there is also option for card. So you can, as you can see, there is option for card. I will show you. Just click here. After then there is option for add card. Just click on here and select your any video. You can see here there is already I made here one card, but I will just wait. I will make this one delete, then I will add again this video. So from here you can delete your card if you don't need. Okay friends, after then just go again this option and click first option, video playlist, and select your any video which you want to make card. Okay, after select, just create a card option, click this option. Then your card will be set. As you can see, there is timing 10.6 here. So now if you want to reduce your time from here, from this cursor you can reduce. Okay friends, so from this one you can reduce your card options. Okay, so now we will see. Now just I set my time 9:35. As you can see here, there is 9:35. So let's play this video and we will see. Or when it will be 9:35, you can see now 9:38. So we will go just back little bit and 9:07. Okay, let's see, because it will not take long time. So as you can see here, there is option for I. So also you watch this type of icon in video. So today we will learn what's the use of this icon and how also we can fix this icon in our video. I hope after watch this video you will be also able to add this type of card in your video. If you now just wait, now 35. Okay, now you can see it's came here. Okay, so it's just suggested. Maybe if somebody will click here, it will see such type of icon, and after then if you will click here, he will go with your link and he can watch full your video. Okay friends, so in this type, I think in this type or in this way we can get some viewers or also some minutes to increase our video timing. So this only today only we will learn only about this topic or only this options. I hope you enjoy my video and you like. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. If you are new, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay friends, if you have any questions or any suggestion, you can ask me in my comment box. Okay friends, after finish this one, just click on here option, same time, just wait. You can see here all changes saved. Okay, so just go to back because your changes have been saved automatically. Okay, so just go back now your video. Whenever or any guys, if he played your video, you will get card, okay, on your video. And in my previous video I have I have given information about the annotations. Annotations means maybe if somebody watching your video on YouTube and it's depend on you where you fix that annotations, he will get one video notifications. Okay, so also if you are interested to learn or you want to see how we can make same like option in our YouTube, you can watch my video. Okay, so thanks for now friends, bye bye. I will become with my new video. Till then, bye friends.